Okay, now I got to steer her a little bit, so here I am two-handed. I'm still one-handed, but I'm just showing, and she's pushing a little bit on that shoulder, so I'm just going to more inside leg, but we're not talking a lot of pressure here. For what it takes me to pull the rein out is what my leg pressure is, okay? There I got to use a little more leg. I didn't adjust the rein. But the trick is to set your hands and leave them there. What are we looking for is just the steadiness of the movement, the ease of go, calmness, no anxiety. Now I'm going to see if I can go one-handed on her. And she's running what I would call a little bit flat. So I have to have a little more, a slightly, half-inch shorter rein. The neck rein, I got my hand over enough for the neck rein to be on there. I got support on my outside leg with that, and the inside aids work to the outside, inside to out, and if she goes over the shoulder, then I'm coming out to in. So the bottom line is that you want equal balanced pressure between your legs on a neutral ride. Now on a horse like this, my pressure is changing quite a bit here because she wants to fall or drop to the inside because she lost her balance. All right? Sometimes she loses her balance to the outside. She doesn't have a lot of bend in her on this side. So I'm just going to try and bring the side of her cheek in without her falling in. But you just got to do it a little bit. But more importantly, is she will drop that right shoulder or drop the right rib cage. So I want her to get used to loping around quietly. I need a little more eye on the inside, okay? Which is kind of on this big circle is what you need also when you're spinning these horses. They have to learn to move through the body. But the trick is, like I keep going back to, you've got all day, you just take your time. Okay, we'll break her down, walk. Good. And give her a pet. Good. We can test some of the circle work out by doing some turnarounds. So we're going to see what she's like here in this turnaround. We're going to go to the left side now. Okay. I asked them to spin. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Walk on. Walk. Walk. And here we're going to turn her again. Wait for her to go. Who? Good girl. Every try is worth something. In other words, you got to reward them. A horse like this, I need everything to be nice and easy. She has to stay calm, have good expression in her face, ears forward, like not laid back. And I mean, the ears can come back when she's listening to me, but I want her to feel like she's at home because I got to come back out here again with her, okay? Now, I don't know if I can take her in one-handed. We can try. And spin. See if she comes off on that neck rein. Come on. Who? Good. Good girl. All right. So we'll ask her to round her back up again. There we go. Good. And we'll try one-handed to the right. See if she'll go to the right now. Maybe she won't. Maybe she's with us. So I'm going to help her a little bit here. Spin. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Hoop. Good girl. Okay, so I'm going to quit here now. So I hope you guys really enjoyed all this. And don't forget to subscribe if you like it, and even ring the bell.